Apple has shaken up its iPhone lineup with the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Plus. Yes, the mini is dead, so what are we getting in its place? You're getting a regular size iPhone and a plus size at 6.7 inches. So what are you getting for your money? Let's go take our first look. So let's get up close with the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Plus. You can see the size difference here, 6.1 inches versus 6.7. This is for people who want a big screen in their pocket for less money at $899. In terms of performance, you're getting the A15 Bionic chip. So that means you're going to get the 4-core GPU in the iPhone 14 Pro delivered on the iPhone 14 series. In terms of the camera, there is a back camera with a 12 megapixel sensor, but it's bigger than before and it's delivering better low light performance. Up front, there's a 12 megapixel camera for FaceTime as well as for taking selfies, and for the first time ever, you're getting autofocus, so you should get sharper selfies, especially if you're in motion. All right, let's talk about the quality that you're getting from the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Plus in terms of cameras. So if we zoom in here, you can see that you get like really good detail, even in low light. And that's because of the photonic engine, and that's doing its work right there. So the photonic engine is there, and it works hand in hand with the A15 Bionic to give you better low light performance on all three of your lenses. And you're gonna see that in the gallery. These are just samples right now, but overall it's pretty impressive. The other thing that's new is action mode, and we're gonna show you that, which delivers steadier video from the back camera. So you can see here, this is action mode on the iPhone 14 Plus. It's also on the regular iPhone 14. And the idea is to give you steadier video when you're recording video, and it's very smooth. We thought it was good before, but this looks even better. Last but not least is battery life. Apple says that the iPhone 14 Plus has the longest battery life ever of any iPhone, and we saw 12 hours from the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so this should be a long-lasting phone. On the surface, the iPhone 14 and the 14 Plus don't look a lot different than their predecessors, but there's a lot of big changes on the inside. We're especially excited by the photonic engine for better low light performance and the new action mode for videography. And those are just two things we'll be checking out in our full review. Make sure you go to tomsguide.com for that full review when it comes out, and follow us at Tom's Guide at YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. For Tom's Guide, this is Mark Spoonauer.